Everyone is talking about PDRN or polynucleotides. So, what exactly is this PDRN? Let's understand now. PDRN is nothing but small fragments of RNA and DNA, which are anyways present in the human body. Interestingly, PDRN was actually derived from salmon sperm's DNA. Okay, why salmon sperm? Because this has the closest match to the human DNA. But now, whether we are talking about PDRN or PN, they are actually basically chains of ribonucleic acid which are joined together, and they could be small chains, medium chains, or larger chains, depending on what work we expect to do out of them. So the ones which are traditionally derived from salmon sperm DNAs were PDRN, and the rest of them are actually called as PNs. So PDRN itself is also a form of PNs or polynucleotide. PDRN or polynucleotides actually work at the cellular level. So it will actually enter into the cell and it will work from within the cell and it will actually repair the cell. So it is for repairing the cell, regeneration of the cell, and for restoration of the cell. So functions of the cell which have actually not been doing well or have been damaged or they're not working properly, PDRN will or PN will actually go and repair it. It actually helps to stimulate collagen, which helps in anti-aging. It actually helps to stimulate elastin, which helps the elasticity of the skin. It will actually help in acne scars, in fine wrinkles, in reducing the pore size. It will help definitely to reduce pigmentation to a large extent, and so many other functions. Unlike treatments which only just add volume to the face, this actually provides repairing of the cellular level. So this comes under the so-called category of anti-aging or regenerative medicine, or actually stopping age and even to partly reversal of age. When we talk about cellular level aging, we talking about regenerative processes to help here, and PDRN or PNs play a big important role in this. It can be used as a monotherapy or it can be used along with other therapies. For example, if it's used along with MNRF like Morpheus 8, it actually helps much better and much faster than using it as a monotherapy alone. That's why this particular substance, which was popular with so-called Korean glass skin, has become very popular all over the world globally and in India too. But PDRN can also have some negative effects if not used correctly with the correct doctor. Hence, to know this advanced form of treatment, whether it is suited for you or not, whether it is safe for you or not, when it should be used and what to combine it with, do consult us to know more. Thank you.